In the last video about charts, I have already created this bubble chart. This is just to show some type of non-so-usual diagram, some not-so-usual chart. It's interesting to see that I have three-dimensional data in here. If you remember, we had our scatter chart and we had two axes, y and x axis, and here we have as a third dimension the size of a bubble. So here, for example, we have the situation that we are in a project office, we have several projects to have a look of, and we would like to display it in the risk level, in the progress level, and in the size, in name of budget of the project. There are lots more of different charts which use more just than one data point. For example, in financial industry, you have these box diagrams. In statistics, you have certain ways of displaying data. I recommend to have a look at these different ways of visualizing data because it often leads to insight what's going on.